Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Dasher app CarPlay not showing or working, setup, permission and iOS fixes. Fix 1. Make sure your car support Apple CarPlay. Check that your vehicle support Apple CarPlay, then connect your iPhone using a certified Lightning or USB-C cable, or connect wirelessly if your car support wireless CarPlay. Then confirm that Apple CarPlay open normally. Second one is check CarPlay permission. Open setting, then journal, then CarPlay. Select your vehicle, make sure CarPlay is enabled for your car. If the Dasher app appear in the list, ensure it is restricted or hidden. Third one is remove the and reconnect the CarPlay. Go to settings, then journal, then CarPlay. Select your vehicle, then tap forget this car. Connect your iPhone again and complete the CarPlay setup. Fourth one is update the Dasher app. Open the App Store, then search for DoorDash or Dasher. Then tap update if an update is available. Reconnect to CarPlay and check if the app appear. Fifth one is turn on Siri. Open setting on your iPhone, then tap Apple Intelligence and Siri. Turn on listen for Hey Siri. Turn on allow Siri when logged. Connect your iPhone to CarPlay again and check if the Dasher app works. Thanks for watching.